Hey, welcome to my first video in the showcase of my $300 GMMK Pro build. So, let's get into it. First thing you need for a keyboard is the case. This time, I went for the GMMK Pro from Glarses. The GMMK Pro has 5-pin hot swap, south-facing LEDs, per key RGB LEDs, and a knob. It does come with Glarses' own GOAT stabilizers, but those are trash. So we'll be trading them for some lube Durag V2 screw-in stabs from Prevail Key Company. After that, I did the triple gasket mod. This mod consists of adding 2 more gaskets on top of the singular ones. If you want to do the triple gasket mod yourself, I'll put a tutorial video in the description. The next thing we need is the switches. I went for the ACO CS Rose Red switches for their smoothness and price. I got mine from Amazon for $13.99 for 45 switches, which is an absolute steal for the quality of these switches. I lubed these with the glorious G-Lube because I wanted to try the lube and compare it to Crytox 205 Grade 0. A comparison video will be out soon between the two lubes, but I also tried to film the switches, but they wouldn't close all the way with the Desky switch films I ordered. That's not a big deal, because I can just use them for other switches. The next thing we need for the build is the keycaps. I went with the ACO Neon ASA Profile keycaps. These keycaps are very nice, and a full review will be coming soon on them. Time for some Bing Bong magic, and done! Now, it's time for the last thing to make this build complete, the coiled cable I got from Glarses in the Nebula colorway. I really love how this build came out, and I'm excited to make more in the future. But now, it's time for the sound test. Quick disclaimer for you guys real quick, because of various reasons like room acoustics, lubing style, and my microphone, video sound tests can never be an accurate representation of the sound of a board. Like I said earlier, I'm very happy with the outcome of this build. Being my first custom build, I'm extremely proud and can't wait to make more. But that's all for now. Peace out, guys.